How to clear app cache on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and further tap on the general option you see there. Here, in general, go ahead and tap on the iPhone storage option, and in the interface that you will be led to scroll through and navigate to the app cache you want to clear. Tap on it and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application and will also help in fixing the bugs in the app. This will free up storage used by the app but will keep its documents and data safe. So, this is how you can clear app cache on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.